Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you loop a song on Spotify 2024. So to loop a song on Spotify, just go to Spotify app. Now after going to Spotify app, just go for a song that you want to play, just like I'm playing this. Now here you can see there is icon which is under 342. Just click on this icon, and here you can see the icon is green. You need to click it on again like this, and there is one with the icon. Now if I just play a song like this and just click on the play icon, here you can see that song is playing again. So guys, that's how you can loop a song on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Tech Avro. Thank you so much for watching the video.